Alright, what's up guys? It's Mikey here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of the Powered by link at the bottom of your Shopify store. So that's this right here. So first things first, you're gonna want to go to your Shopify dashboard and click online stores. And once you click online stores, you're gonna want to go right over here, press actions, and press edit code. Alright, as soon as you press edit code, you're gonna go to search files and you're gonna search footer, and you're gonna click footer.liquid. Alright, once you click footer.liquid, you're gonna click over here, and if you're on Mac, you're gonna press Command F. It's gonna pull up the search bar. You're gonna type in powered. Once you type in powered, it should show up already. You're gonna go right here from these two brackets. Oh damn, what the fuck. Alright, you're gonna go from these two brackets to these two brackets right here. Delete, save, bam, you should be good. You go down, you see, nothing, no Powered by Shopify. Alright guys, if you learned something from this video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.